The reason your relationships are not working out the way that you want is because you are putting them in the microwave. What's up, y'all? Koy McDermott here, and what I want to chat with you about is how to turn your relationships into actual resources. And the reason I was talking about a microwave is I remember when I was in college, there was a time where I actually didn't even have a toaster. So I decided to put my Eggo in the microwave. I don't know if you all have ever had an Eggo waffle in the microwave, but it's absolutely disgusting. It's chewy, it gets crunchy, it gets hard, and it's not what you want it to be. And that's exactly what happens to your relationships when you put them in the microwave. Stop thinking of things that are transactional and really be interested in the individual that is in front of you. Stop worrying about being interesting and worry about being interested, and you'll see those relationships move to the next level. Make sure to comment below on what you do to stay interested in individuals that you connect to. And until next time, be in your blessings.